In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create Facebook business page. So firstly type facebook.com. Create new account. Fill up this form, first and last name, email, password, date and gender. Then click on sign up. Enter the code. Continue. We firstly successfully created this Facebook account. Now click on create, select page. Here select business. Showcase your products and services. Spotlight your brand and reach more customers on Facebook. Click here. Type your business name. Select category. Then click on continue. Add a profile picture. So type here canva.com to create a nice profile picture. Type here Facebook profile. So select Facebook cover. Now select any template. If it's paid, so select any free. You will see return tax free. Like this one. Type your business name. Now download it. Like PNG. Select this first one and click on download. Now upload a profile picture. Now upload a cover photo. So select this one, or you can create a new cover photo. Get online booking through Facebook. Do you want to add Facebook's free appointment booking tool to your page? So click on add. And if you want to change this profile, so click on template and click on logo. Here you can select any logo and you can modify it as your requirement. Click on use this template. Here you can select another one. It's animated logo. So you can download it as a GIF file or image. So you need to convert it to in GIF or image. So select PNG and download. Now again update and edit this thumbnail. And if you want to change, so upload photo. Now select it. You can change position for this page. Then click on save. Now we need to create username. So actually URL for this Facebook page, click on create page username, type here. You are not eligible to create a username. So you need to wait for some times, like month to month. So you will have some post and some users to your this page. So you will be eligible to change your this page username. So cancel just now. So this basic setting is ready for this Facebook page. Now click on this see more. Here you can change tab and also you can add some tab from here. Type description about this page. So click on more and click on publishing tools. Here you will find all information about this page. So to want to change and to want to write description, click on edit page info. A brief summary of your page. The limit is 255 characters. You can write a short summary about this page or tell people about your products and service, which can help your business be discovered more often on Facebook. So type here description, then click on save changes. Here you can add some categories. Help people find your page by choosing categories that represent your page. Having an accurate category helps Facebook show your business to the right people at the right time so that your business can reach a more engaged audience. Additional information. Additional information for your page. The limit is 10,000 characters. So this is the basic and initial description, and here you can type more about your page. You can give the contact number by selecting country code and your number. You can add more, it's optional. If your site and your page has not number, so check this box. Your website's If your business website, you can type here name with URL, then click on save changes. Email address, so for query you can add here and select location. So type street address, city and postcode, then click on save changes. Hours open for selected hours. Here select, you can day and time you can change as your requirement. Always open, also you can select no hours available, permanently closed. So here are some another option. If there are some another time limit and period, so you can add more in here. If temporarily closed, so select it. Choose an option to indicate how your services have changed due to this COVID. In the more, you can type more thing about your this page. So it's basic information. This second tab, messages, setup features and edit preferences for managing messages across Messenger and Instagram. You can manage notification settings in the notification tab. Here you can add some manager to your this page. Just you need to type name or email address which you want to make manager for this Facebook page. Select role as admin, moderator, advertiser or analyst. So this first tutorial we learn how to create Facebook page, and in second page and in the second video we learn how to add products to this Facebook page. Thanks for watching.